Let your image on Let your image rise. Let your image rise. Let your image rise. It's your God. Every venous arthritis. If you are the one putting on the last room, the devil is alive. I announce, let it be reversed. Let it be reversed. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Let your image on brain got disease. If you are the one putting on the last room, let it be reversed. Let it be reversed. Let it be reversed. Adrenal cancer. If you are the one putting on the last room, the devil is alive. I announce reverse. Oral nasal cancer. I announce, let it be reversed. Let it be reversed right now. So I know yes, coma. If you are the one putting on the last room, the devil is alive. Let it be reversed. But wherever the devil drove your husband to, you have not seen your husband for the longest. The devil is alive. Wherever he is under his strange bondage, let that bondage be broken. Let it be broken. I don't know why I'm led to declare this, but somebody take your word. Your enemies will not be ahead of you. Your enemies will not be ahead of you. You are wiser than your enemies. You are wiser than your enemies. You are wiser than your enemies. Let your image on